Primetime news this evening, NEPA facing pressure to release details of private agreement with Tradewinds Citrus. Teen boys implicated in recent sexual assault case remanded. And Transport Minister intervenes in taxi dispute in Discovery Bay, St. Anne.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We are live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. A special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. In the business day today, double trouble for coffee farmers as bad road and bad weather hit their pockets hard.
And Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's coming up in the big show, Primetime Sports.
Well, Archie, the Jamaica Scorpions captain, he recently returned from a ban, and it seems another ban could be on the horizon for him. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Thank you, Jermaine. And Romaine Robinson is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather.
Thanks, Andrea. Now, the inclement weather is expected to continue. We do have our flash flood watch and warning still in effect for sections of eastern parishes and southwestern parishes. And we're also expecting conditions to continue into the weekend.
Thanks, Romaine. He will have the weather report and forecast in detail later on. There is also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on NEPA's decision to drop the charges against Tradewinds Citrus and settling with the company for polluting the Rio Cobra in December 2023?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.